Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video, we're going to show you where to place a smoke detector in your home. So I'm here with Pat, a 20-year veteran of the fire department. Let's talk about smoke detectors and placement. This is a very important safety device for homeowners and families. Where, in your opinion, should smoke detectors go in a home?
At a minimum, you want them on every floor in the home, and you would also ideally you could want them in each bedroom, and then you would want one outside of the bedroom. So if you have a hallway, a lot of times the bedrooms are stacked along the same hallway, so you could put a smoke detector there. If you can get one at the top of a stairwell, that would be great too. You want to be like somewhere close to the kitchen. You want to give it a little bit of space so it's not going off all the time, but
Right.
You're going to need one on each floor at a very minimum. If you have one in the basement, I would put one at the top of the stairs, and I would put one back towards the furnace. So
But
that
not real close.
not real close to the furnace, but
Right.
at least back in like the back half of that building, so
Got
that
it.
you at least gives you a little bit more heads up, more time.
Right. And that's it. If you'd like more information, please go to our website, acehardware.com, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Better yet, stop by your local neighborhood Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.